Chapter 9, Testing Hypotheses. This chapter, we discussed the methods of testing differences in means between a sample and a population value. SPSS used one sample t-test procedure to do this test. For example, we will use 2010 GSS data for this demonstration. We try to find out whether American adults work 40 hours each week. To do this test, we will move the mouse, go to Analyze, click Compare Means, then choose one sample t-test. Right-click, display the variable names. The variable's name should be HRS1. Highlight this variable, bring over to test variables. Test value, we want to find if it's 40 hours a week. So we type 40, then click OK. In this SPSS output file, it shows the one sample t-test results. A total of 838 people answered the question about the number of hours worked last week. The mean number of hours worked is 40.62. Standard deviation is 15.25. Standard error is 0.527. SPSS lists the test value is 40. It includes two tails significance or probability for one sample test. This value is 0.242. Given the calculated t statistic is 1.17 with 837 degrees of freedom. So, at the 0.01 significance level, we could field to reject non-hypothesis and concluded that American adults work 40 hours per week. With 95% confidence interval of the differences for the mean between the test value and the sample mean, the confidence interval runs from -0.42 to 1.65. This providing the estimates of how much more than 40 hours per week American works. So that's the simple one sample t-test for these procedures.